This is the first stop when you come to Khaybar, the welcome centre. This is a viewpoint where you can view Khaybar. So Khaybar is an oasis, an ancient oasis, and used to be an important trade route according to this little sign here. They actually have these solar powered cars which take you to all the sites, which is nice. Now these waterways are really interesting. They actually block them off at particular times of the day so that certain farms get water at different times, so they share the water of the spring. And we're actually going to go and walk to see the spring, I think, now. This is one of Khaybar's ancient forts. There's a few of them that they're restoring. I don't know.
Daddy, get spy. Yeah, it's also yeah. Yeah.
So we don't want it to be here.
Lady said this is the last destination.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
Anytime.
Thank
sir.
you.
Oh wow.
So you're going back now to...
Go back. Here another night, go to Alula.
Where are you going to be staying?
Are the dates we saw before on the pine trees, are they...
So this is Ain Jamma. There are like 3 different springs here and they feed the farms.
Yeah.
And apparently in ancient times, or until recent, traditional times, brides used to jump into this big lake to get clean, I guess.